Alright, I'm gonna throw this car in the air. I'm gonna cut the exhaust so that we can get one step closer to finishing the yellow car. Finish the wife's Christmas present. Let's do this. Alright, so we gotta cut this guy, because as you can see, they welded it. So we just need to, no, I need to cut this guy. Because it's this one. So we cut this, try to get it as even as possible and pull it out. Get an idea. So this is just a little made back. Cut this guy off, so I know I would cut it here. I might actually cut it a little bit here so that I have room. Otherwise, I probably have to grind off all these welds. Wait, no, because if I cut it here, on the other one, it's smooth, so it should be good to go. Never mind, I'm good. There you go. But this is all rusted and broken, so I don't know. I might actually have to get a new one of these clamps. I don't know how the other one is, but hopefully it'll sit in one of them, and I can get new clamps for that one. That'll sit, and then this exhaust should bolt up. We got this temporary exhaust stuff. Love the custom bends he created. So the other one's got this guy. This one's good. Oh, shit. The other one's got this guy. This one's good here. Might just need new clamps though. There we go. Yeah, these clamps have definitely seen better days. Exhaust itself is, I don't know, maybe reusable for temporary usage. We'll see. But yeah, now we gotta get the yellow car in here and fucking switch it out. Oh, nope, wrong way. Round two. I'm gonna put the exhaust system onto the banana. Just inspecting underneath. Alright, so this was a pain in the ass. I had to literally cut this and then I had to bend it. So, you see the little cut marks to cut the rubber off. And this is gonna be a temporary fix, so I fixed that. Alright, task for today is complete. We have an exhaust system. I don't know, temporary for now. I still gotta get this guy fixed. So, as long as I can get it driving, I think both of these might get changed out. But at least that's done. Now we gotta do valve cover gaskets. I think it's roadworthy. Alright, let's tackle the valve covers next. Probably won't get done today, but should be the ones. And then all these have to come off. I'm not sure. That guy has to come off. Down there, I have to get some way. Down there. All this stuff's mostly off, but I gotta work on that. Because it informed me that it needs changing, so I got both of them, both left and right, which apparently you buy separately, one at a time, and I don't know why anyone would do one side at a time, but I'm going to do both of them, because why not? Alright, we got this valve cover off for today. The biggest pain was, let's see if I can get it right there. So I use a, oh, there goes that. Just use this little guy. But I use it on an angle, which I don't have the angle one. I use it on an angle one to get that one. But this side's out, so I can do this side. This side's more of a pain. I think I'm gonna call it quits for today and tackle it tomorrow. At least one of them will be done, which is the one I got the misfire codes for anyway. Let's see if you can still see the oil. Yeah, you can still see the oil in there. Yeah, so get all new gaskets for that. And then, I don't know where I put it. I put it over there. Get all new gaskets for that guy. And then start working on this guy. But at least this one only need 3 more. So this should be off. That one should be off tomorrow. Not sure if this will be back on tomorrow. But that's how it looks. Both headlights are out because I had to get to that. Yep. Alright. So I sprayed down brake cleaner. Got the corners cleaned up. I don't know if I'm going to paint it or not. That's where it sits. Not gonna lie, these are lifesavers for right here. New pipe on, valve cover gaskets on. Now I just gotta finish buttoning it up. Alright, headlights are in. All the beauty parts are in. Which I probably should have started and checked for leaks and stuff first, but